Hi, this is Jennifer Faulkner, Training Coordinator here at QuoteWerks. In this video, I will be demonstrating QuoteWerks Web Integration with Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Let's get started. I went ahead and created a quote with some items. Next, I will want to bring in my customer's information. In QuoteWerks Web, there's no need to retype customer information that already exists in Microsoft CRM. To retrieve customer information, I will go to the Sold To, Shipped To tab in QuoteWerks Web. I will now click on the magnifying glass icon. From this window, you can search for a contact by these values here. I will search by the customer's last name. Once you've found the desired contact, you will want to select Sold To, Shipped To, or Billed To. This will send the contact to the corresponding field in QuoteWerks Web. QuoteWerks Web also allows you to select different contacts for the Sold To or Billed To section if need be. For this example, all three fields will be the same customer, so I will select the option All. Now that I am finished with my quote, I will go ahead and save it. Here you can choose what Microsoft CRM integration options you would like to use. Selecting Create/Update Sales Opportunity will create or update a sales opportunity in Microsoft CRM. Selecting Create or Update Link Document will create or update a link document record. When updating the opportunity, you can add any notes, change the estimated close date, the probability that this quote will turn into a sale, even the rating of the opportunity. We can switch over to Microsoft CRM to view the link document that we just created. One of the easiest places to locate this in Microsoft CRM is in the Timeline section. This is very useful for when a customer calls in. You can quickly view all quotes created for this customer and easily click the link from Microsoft CRM, which will then open the quote in QuoteWerks Web. To view the opportunity that was just created, we can go to the Opportunities tab on the left side. Selecting Create or Update Follow-Up Call will schedule a call back in Microsoft CRM, which enables you to follow up on open quotes, increasing your chances of closing a sale. From here, you can select the date of the call, the time, and any notes you wish to see prior to making the call. We can switch to Microsoft CRM to see the follow-up call that was scheduled. This call will be under the Activities tab. This call activity will automatically notify you when it is time to follow up on the quote. The next step is sending the quote to the customer. I will select Deliver. I have a few different options for layouts, and if I wanted to create more of a proposal, I could add a cover page, literature page, spec sheets, or any other documents I may want to include. QuoteWerks Web will take all of the documents and merge them into a PDF. You can also select a Word option to have QuoteWerks Web merge all of the quote information into a Microsoft Word document. I will go ahead and send this to my customer. I can either email the customer a PDF of the quote or create an interactive customized web page of the quote with Quote Valet. For this example, I will be using Quote Valet. Here you can upload your quote to the cloud. Then you can preview the web page of your quote before sending the link to your customer. Quote Valet gives your customers the ability to electronically sign and accept the quote, as well as make payments. Quote Valet will also notify you when your customer views the quote. After uploading and previewing the quote, I will send an email to the customer with a link that will open up a web page to the interactive quote. If I go back to Microsoft CRM, I can see the email record. After you send an email, QuoteWerks Web will also create a PDF copy of your quote. This allows your colleagues that don't have access to QuoteWerks Web to still be able to view the quote. Let's pretend the customer has accepted the quote. At this point, I would convert the quote to an order. I will go to File, then Convert to Order. When a quote is converted to an order, the existing sale in Microsoft CRM is automatically converted into a completed sale, eliminating the possibility of forgetting. We can switch to Microsoft CRM to see the completed sale. The completed sale will now be under the Opportunities tab. As you have seen, information has flown seamlessly between QuoteWerks Web and Microsoft CRM. This integration will increase your productivity so you can spend more time selling and less time creating sales quotes. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our tech support team at 407-248-1234. 1481 extension 3, or email support directly at support@quotewerks.com. Thank you for watching.